I'm going to be the bigger man and hang up first. Damn it. Listen, we don't cotton to freaks round these parts. Scram, weirdo. Oh yeah? I don't polycotton to coping tropes, even my own. So why don't you split? Looks like I already did. You're the sad figment of my twisted psyche's tragic dividend. You're the un-me, I'm the real me you wanna be. Me, kiddo, I was the real me when you were still in my short pants. Hate to break it to you, but I wore them first. Me bequeathed thee the psychopathological hand-you-downs. So you're the one who stained them. Whoever found it, browned it. You'd like me to be you, wouldn't me? But it's too late. You snows, you lows, you sleeped, you eat, you nap, you get slapped, you slumber, a cucumber, you catch up on some Zeds, you get out of my head, you slumber, hamburger, I don't want to talk about nothing else. Listen, this psyche is not big enough for two metaphysical seekers. You couldn't seek your way out of a cardboard bag. Yeah, I know, cause it would be an A.
Oh my
This
God!
guy might be better than me. You're right, I am better than me. Look, buddy, know when you're defeated. Accept your defecation. No thanks, I'm full, cause I eat pussies like you for breakfast. Look at you, you look so superficial. You probably judge things by their physical appearance. Oh yeah? Your mom's so shallow, she probably thinks this quip is about her. You're about as deep as a bowl of soup, and your tongue is about as sharp as a sieve.
Oh my God!
Say what you want about me, but lay off the soup. If you love soup so much, why don't you marry soup? Cause I'm already married to justice. Yeah, only a blind girl would marry you. I know everything you're gonna say, and I know everything you're gonna do. Oh yeah? Well, when God was passing out insight, you thought he said that when God was passing out holy prophets, you thought he said oily faucets, cause your soul has diarrhea of the mouth. Faucet. Are you so dumb you even answer rhetorical questions? I don't know. Do you? We can play this game all night.